Yeah, as you know, let's go. Yeah, as you know, it's your boy Mkabya Junior, the freestyle music artist all the way in South Africa. Tuli wano tata Fresh Kid Sokojo wano.
Yeah, man.
Bana Uganda tuli waneno nga bwe mutulaba Fresh Kid yasinkanye DJ Arch. Era ensonga nga bwe muzirabye nga bwe beekwata mu ngalo awo ebintu by'amaanyi nnyo, superstar with the superstar, as you know. Ensonga zonna zigenda kuba ziggwa era buli kimu, we are in the finalization step with the management of DJ Arch and Fresh Kid. As you can see, big projects are coming between DJ Arch and Fresh Kid. So it is a very great opportunity for Honorable Nachiwala Chiyingi and the team who came here for this dream to come true for Fresh Kid. And the dream have come true because these two superstars have met. They are the young kids in South Africa and in Uganda. Yeah, man.
Oweekitiibwa Nachiwala Chiyingi, Minister of Abavubuka n'Abaana eyawummula ate nga Presidential Advisor ow'abavubuka, ekirooto akituukiriza ekya Fresh Kid ekyokumiitinga DJ Arch era bamaze okumiitinga mu Johannesburg, South Africa, era bagenda kukola projects nyingi nnyo ezigenda okuba bannayuganda, n'olwekyo bannayuganda babeere bagumu tebagenda kulaba ebyafaayo bya Fresh Kid ng'ayongera okututumuka n'okufuuka omuyimbi ali international. Weebale nnyo Mukabya Junior, weebale nnyo Fresh Daddy.
Okay, so Fresh Kid can talk something and DJ Arch can talk something. According to Fresh Kid, talk to the fans of Uganda, and Fresh Kid talk to the fans of South Africa. DJ Arch talk to the fans of Uganda, telling them what can they expect as far as you have met both of you, the superstars, the young superstars in the industry.
Yeah, man, this is Fresh. It's a big opportunity meeting with this great team, meeting with DJ Archie himself and the whole team. Yeah, we're gonna have many projects coming out. Yeah, so now we have made our dreams come true now. So we are working here in South Africa. We have projects coming out soon. Yeah, man, stay tuned.
DJ Arch,
What do I say?
in English, anything which your fans can expect in Uganda. Yeah, the kids who are following you as DJ Arch, who are inspired by you, what message can you give them, and what can they expect as you have met with the two brands, the two big brands?
Okay, so one message that I'll say to all the people in Uganda is that you have to practice at doing what you want to do, and you will be expecting a lot of projects from me and Fresh Kid.